I've had the privilege of testing out the Nothing 4A Pro for the past 30 days, and whilst it has a list of impressive features and specs, for me, here are 5 reasons why I think the Nothing 4A Pro is the perfect smartphone for the African market. Starting with the design and build quality. When it comes to the design of the 4A Pro, most people will obviously gravitate towards the rear camera and glyph matrix combo. That's very nice, but that is not the only standout feature. When I say everything about this phone is well thought out, even the placement of the volume and power buttons is perfect. The display size is 6.83 inches, which is large, but with the slim bezels on this phone, you won't even get that impression. Unlike the 3A Pro, this time around, the Nothing 4A Pro features an aircraft-grade aluminum unibody design, which I really like. You can get the 4A Pro in silver, black, and pink, which is the unit I was testing. Now, if somebody handed you this phone and didn't tell you any information about it, you would be convinced that this is a flagship device because of the build quality and the design. Plus, you will be able to show off with it. The glyph lights have a way of just attracting attention. Now, if you didn't know, Africans don't buy cell phones because of the need. They buy phones because of status, which explains why there are so many iPhones on the continent. And they do not sell cheap. Now, talking of selling leads us to the second point. If you have $500 on the African market, that price range is very competitive. Options include Samsung mid-range phones like the A57 or Xiaomi and Redmi phones, and refurbished iPhones. But luckily for Nothing, there's already a high demand for Nothing phones on the continent. And the Nothing 4A Pro is offering a lot of value at that price point. Not only is the hardware good, but it fits right into the perfect budget for most Africans who cannot afford the $1,000 needed for an entry-level iPhone 17. Now, the third reason why the Nothing 4A Pro is perfect for the African market is the battery life. The battery life on this phone is excellent. If you're a light user, this can easily be a 3-day phone for you. But realistically, this is a 1.5-day phone for heavy users like myself. Now, during my tests, I kept the phone's display on 144Hz refresh, which makes the phone feel so smooth, I'm not gonna lie. Now, the Nothing 4A Pro supports 50-watt wired charging. I was using my 30-watt charger. It took about 45 minutes for the phone to charge to 50% and about 1.5 hours to get to 100%. Now, the phone tends to get a bit warm during charging. Because of the aluminium build, the phone does not support wireless charging. But overall, the battery life is perfect for the African market. So, a lot of people have been asking me where I get the music I use on my videos. And the answer is Upbeat. And the reason why I chose that platform in particular, it boils down to the cost. For as little as $6.99 for the individual plan or $5.59 with a yearly plan, you'll get access to thousands of trending music, sound effects, motion graphics, and now even high-quality stock videos. So if you're ready to take your content to the next level, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description of this video, which you can use right now to choose a package which is right for you. Now, the fourth reason why I think the Nothing 4A Pro is perfect for the African market is network connectivity. Even in areas where other phones struggle, this one will always have network. But then are we shocked? Look at the number of non-conductive polycarbonate dividers on this phone. Even the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections are excellent as well. Now, I have nothing bad to say about the connectivity. Even the call quality is excellent. Now, the fifth reason why the Nothing 4A Pro is the perfect phone for the African market is software support. In terms of upgrades and software support, the Nothing 4A is expected to get 3 years of Android OS updates and a whopping 6 years of security updates. That is until 2032. Now, I know it's not a big deal, but if you are in a market that is dominated by refurbs, you understand why this is important. The user interface is pretty much stock Android, which in my view is the best Android experience. I like the fact that Nothing does not add a lot of bloatware. Plus, Nothing allows you to customize your phone to your liking. Now, for me, Nothing and Google Pixel phones offer the best Android experience. Now, out of the box, the Nothing 4A Pro is running Android 16. So those are 5 reasons why I think the Nothing 4A Pro is the perfect smartphone for the African market. Now, there are also other features I like about this phone, like the glyph matrix. Unlike the 3A Pro from last year, which had the glyph lights, this time around the Nothing 4A has a glyph matrix, which is the secondary screen which can be used to display secondary information. For example, with Flip to Glyph, you can see who's calling without even looking at your phone. Users can also download 100 of glyph toys from the Nothing community website. The Nothing 4A Pro features the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 paired with 12 gigs of RAM, which runs like a breeze. You will be able to run through tasks with ease, even demanding tasks like gaming. Granted, you won't be able to run Call of Duty Mobile on ultra graphics and FPS, but the gaming experience is just the same as a Flagship. Now, obviously, I didn't test it on Genshin Impact, but for day-to-day tasks, this phone is perfect. At the time of posting this, Nothing had also announced that Nothing users can now get 2 GB of backup for their essential space on 2025 and 2026 Nothing and CMF devices. The fingerprint scanner is very fast. Now, I'm by no means saying that the 4A Pro is a perfect phone. There are also areas which I feel need a lot of improvement. But then again, if those improvements are there, it probably means that the cost of the phone will also increase. For example, the 4A Pro can shoot at 4K 30 FPS using the rear camera. And the front-facing camera is only limited to 1080p 60 FPS. The photos from the 4A Pro are very good. The phone features a 140x periscope zoom lens, but that is only possible when you lower the resolution from 50 megapixels to 12 megapixels. Plus, as the camera switches between lenses, you can actually see a slight color shift. But most folks are not pixel peepers, so this will not be a deal breaker. Now, personally, I really enjoyed my time with this phone. Now, if I had $500 and had to choose a phone, the Nothing 4A Pro will be on top of that list. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.